today we've got a cook-off between the Ninja Woodfire oven and the Ooni Volt. Let's do it. I've got the Ninja pizza there, I've got the Ooni Volt pizza there. I am now going to launch them both at the same time. Let's do this. Expect to turn once in the Volt. I'm not sure when, but at some point when I see the top cooking a bit more. Sticky hands now. Yeah, that looks nice. I don't think that's got long. I'd say that's probably got another minute. I'm going to check on the Ninja. Ooh, well, I might as well turn that one as well so you can see it. No point keeping it stuck in there. Some of the cheese has come off, but yeah, I say that's going to be done the same time as the Volt. I'm not going to keep it in longer. I would say the Volt is nearly done because I can see the cheese is cooking a lot there. Let me just check it again. Yeah, the cheese. I got to go by the cheese. Done. I'm going to do the Ninja. It doesn't need all that time. It's done. Done. The Volt, New York style. But this is the Ninja. So you can see that the New York, as a comparison, is pretty much the same the way it comes out in these ovens. What do you think? Do you think that the Volt or the Ninja has cooked it differently or better? I think they're both exactly the same. They took the same time and they look the same. Same dough, same toppings. Nothing in it. Both got one turn and yeah, both the same. Very nice. This recipe I used is from the Ninja Booklet, and it's 570 grams of flour, and it's 370 grams of water, which I think is quite a high hydration. But look at this dough. It has risen like bread. It's not pizza flour. So it's cooked it properly all the way through. That's the Volt. It's done the same in the Ninja. Very nice. All in all, I'd say both these ovens performed exactly the same. Same temperature, same time, same base cook. I put on the New York style setting on the Ninja. I did the same with the Volt. And just for an equal comparison of stones, heat, etc. And they both come out the same. So that's the cook for both, just in case you're interested in buying any of these ovens. I bought both of these ovens and I love them both. So I just wanted to show you how they cook in case you are thinking of buying one of these ovens or have them already, to see what you can do in it. And I'm sure you can make it a lot more thinner than me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.